everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry. Before we get started, if you hear some noise in the background, my daughter's watching TV while she's eating some breakfast, so I figured I'd come here quickly and film this video because Thanksgiving is a week away, and some of you may have already started your preparations for Thanksgiving and some of you may not, but I thought that I would give you a few tips on how to successfully rock out Thanksgiving. So, number one, you should make a list. You need to figure out exactly what you want to cook, and then once you figure out what you want to cook, you need to figure out what ingredients you need to go in those dishes, and then you need to make a list so that you can go to the store and pick everything up and not forget anything. You have about a week, so every day I would just go over the list and make sure that I have everything that I need to go to the store. Number two, get out there as early as you can to the store. Do not shop late. A week before is cutting it a little close, but if you get down to a few days or even a day before, some of the items that you're looking for may not even be in the store, okay? If you're having a lot of people over and you just need like napkins and burners, you will not believe that stuff will be gone and you'll be panicking. So once you get your list together and you're confident about it, go out there and get the things that you need so that you know that you have them for Thanksgiving. Number three, prepare. So prep your items beforehand, to kind of help you. So Thanksgiving, some people are kind of like finishing up the turkey or the ham or whatever, little side items. But if you do something, and the word is called mise en place, which is French for everything in its place. And what that means is you're ahead of time, maybe chopping up some onions, putting them in a bowl and labeling it, okay, this is for my stuffing or dressing. You're, washing your sweet potatoes. You're getting things prepared so that when you go to cook, it's not frantic and you're not all over the place. You have everything in its place. Everything's washed, prepped, clean, and ready to go. And all you have to do is throw things in the pot and pan, mix together, and you're good to go for Thanksgiving. Number four, timing is everything. If you've cooked before, you know how long something is gonna take. Like, most people don't have a lot of ovens. Some people only have one. Some people have two, and if you only have one, then you have to work with what you have. So you need to know, okay, well, if the turkey's going to take 5 hours to cook and the ham's going to take 4 and the macaroni's going to take an hour, then you need to know, okay, I need to start putting in, if I have to start putting in my turkey and then take it out and then, put the ham in and then take that out and put the whatever you have to do. You need to get your timing together. Even if you have to sit there and write everything down, how long it's going to take for you to cook each item so that you can prioritize your items and cook them accordingly so you can be done on time. All of these tips will actually also help you not to be stressed. How many of us have been trying to cook for a lot of people? Hey, you're having family over, whatever, and you're getting stressed, you're getting down to the wire, and everybody's hungry, but maybe nobody's helping, okay? That happens. So with these tips, they'll actually help you get things together so you have time and you're not pressed for time. And you're not going to be just wiped out by the end of it. So you can still have fun with your family. And that's going to take me into number 5. You should pick a dinner time. as well. Most people are going to show up at your house early, you know, try to get their fingers in the pot or just to keep you company or maybe even help. But having a time is great because, you know, if you're anything like my mom, you want to get the house ready, get the house clean, you know, put up some decorations, whatever. So you want to have time to do all of that. So putting a time on dinner also helps as well. And number 6, I believe number 6, just as a bonus, if anybody wants to bring any food or they ask you, do you need help? Don't be afraid to take that help. You know, if somebody wants to bring biscuits and you normally bake biscuits, that's one thing off your list you don't have to do, you know. And that'll make things a lot easier for you too. If somebody wants to help you prep a couple things, whatever you have to do. But these are ways to help you prepare for Thanksgiving. And I'm just going to throw one more bonus in there. Make sure that you do a deep cleaning of your refrigerator and your freezer and your deep freezer before you do your Thanksgiving shopping. Because once you go to the grocery store, you're going to need to pack all of this food in the refrigerator in preparation for Thanksgiving, and then after Thanksgiving you may have leftovers and they need somewhere to go. So just kind of keep that in mind when you're thinking about other food that you're going to be cooking throughout the week, things that don't take up a lot of space so that you can have room in your refrigerator and it's not food just crashing down on you, because I know personally I hate that. So those were my, I believe it was 6 tips for how to rock out Thanksgiving. If you guys have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below. Make sure you check the description box because my links and other fun things will be down there. Also, make sure that you subscribe and you hit that bell button next to the subscription button so that you can get notifications of when I post. So, I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.